I got coming in. Yep. I'm in. Hey, pick coming. Stay high. Pop up. Brooks, stay high. Yep. Pick, Brooke. Box it up! Cornbread, you're here. Yep, this is you. Yeah.
21 illegal on the back down.
Seriously? I didn't even push though.
That's all.
You wanna go?
Wait, settle.
Next whistle.
Yeah?
I'm good.
I'm good
with that.
Settle it.
You wanna drop the mitts? Come on, that's not a penalty. From behind, you would hit me from behind.
We just got one. We got these.
You can drop them if you want.
I'm a little too hungover right now, but give me another period.
Sober up a little.
Yeah.
Get the blood flowing. I got it. That dirty gotta stop, man.
Oh, you gotta fucking muck spit, motherfucker.
Yeah, Quinn. Stay high, LePray. Brooke. Yep. Pick right. Yep, I'm low. Pick, Dilly.
Hey, corner. You want it?
Time out.
I got a little man. You broke my stick last time, but it's still not bad.
Pick, you're good. Quinn, on you, Quinn. Yeah. Pick, get over.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
I'm with you, Tammy. Reverse, stay. Stay. Hey, we're gonna get in an eye, all right? Push up, I got it. Yep, push up. Box, box, Saul, you're bottom right, Saul. Take it, cornbread. You're good, box, box, 5 seconds. I'll let you catch it, go one-on-one. That wasn't high. That wasn't high.
Stick, man.
That was high? That wasn't really high.
Let's go. We're not going 5, gentlemen.
Oh! Woo! Good game. Hell yeah, baby. Good game, boys.
Ice timeout. I'd rather pick it up than half.
Nice rip there.
Good game, boys.
Good job, Billy.
Yeah.
That was just a clusterfuck. Everyone's running around with their head out there.
Good work, boys.
Here you go, Brooke.
Good work, man. Good work. Good game, boys. Good game. Good game. Good game.
I don't know if I like the icing, the offense. Because I kind of had a scoop.
Yeah, good game, baby. Good game, man. Game, Teddy. Good game. Game, brother. Good game. Game, boys. Good game. Game, boys. Game. Yep, good game, boys. Good game. Game, boys. Good game. Game, boys. Game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Hey, man, let me have it. Holy. Good game, boys. Good game. Yes, sir.